Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Spider-Man Remastered on Android. First, understand that this is achieved through cloud gaming, which streams the game from powerful servers to your device. You'll need a strong internet connection, preferably 5G or a fast Wi-Fi network, to ensure minimal lag. Also, a good Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for an optimal gaming experience. Next, you'll need to choose a cloud gaming service. Options like Boosteroid or PlayStation Cloud Gaming are known to support Spider-Man Remastered. It's crucial to verify that your selected service actually offers the game, as libraries can differ. Remember, for many services, you must already own the game on a compatible PC platform to stream it. Once you've picked a service, it's time to set up your Android device. Begin by downloading the official cloud gaming application from the Google Play Store. Then, pair your Bluetooth controller with your phone or tablet for seamless control. Finally, log into your cloud gaming account within the app, ensuring all your credentials are correct and ready. Now you're ready to play. Open the Cloud Gaming app and navigate to the game library to locate Spider-Man Remastered. Select the game and start the streaming session. You might want to adjust some in-game settings, like graphics quality, to find the best balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance on your Android device. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.